Hey guys, it's Valerie here. Welcome back to another doable DIY decor. In this tutorial, I will give you simple instructions to help you to cut and stitch an envelope pillow in under 30 minutes. Now, our subject will be an 18 by 18 insert. Let's focus on our front panel first. The measurement for the front panel will be width 18 inches, the width of the insert, plus 1 inch, and that 1 inch includes a half an inch on both sides of the panel, and that will be our seam allowance. Because it is a square, the length will be the same. So we will need to cut a panel which is 19 inches by 19 inches. Now let's move on to the back panel. For the width of the back panel, it will be the same as the width of the front panel, which is 19 inches. However, the length will be different because we will have to add increments for double hems, overlap, and seam allowance. We'll add an inch for the seam allowance, 4 inches for the double hems, 1 inch double hems, and 4 inches for the overlap. Now you can make your overlap 3 inches if you desire to, or 5 inches, or 2 inches. I just find that 4 inches is a good space to be. So our length will be 28 inches. We will need to cut a panel that is 19 inches wide by 28 inches long. Our next step is to cut our back panel into 2 pieces. Now you can cut it just about midway. After you have cut the back panel into 2 pieces, you will make a double hem, a 1 inch double hem as indicated in the slide. Now we are ready to assemble the pillow. Put the pieces together as indicated by the slide with right sides together, the front panel at the bottom, the back panel pieces on top of the front panel, and there you should have your overlap in the just about in the middle. Pin your pieces together before you start stitching, just so nothing moves out of place. Then go ahead and stitch right around the perimeter of the pillow, and you have an envelope pillow cover. Thanks for watching. Please check out these videos. Until I see you again.